London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 maneuvering at the north ramp. London Corbin.
Light on the skids, coming up.
Let's see what it feels like in the, let's go, let's do a pattern. What it feels like in forward flight.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 on the go, runway 24, parallel on the grass. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, right crosswind, runway 24, London Corbin.
I don't know that I've ever took off this low on fuel. I'm nervous as a cat eating peach seeds.
Well, let's get back.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, right downwind, runway 24, London Corbin.
I just wanted to feel it in the air, you know what I mean? Because your track's really not terrible.
Obstacle ahead. Pull up.
Yes, you don't like them towers up there.
I was getting ready to say, where's our obstacle?
Well, it's not set up for helicopters. It can only do 80 mile an hour.
Oh, okay. I got you.
She's a talking today.
Yeah.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, final runway 24, London Corbin.
I mean, you can see right there, your blades are in track, Britt. I mean, I'm not trying to get out of track in your aircraft. I'm just telling you, it don't. It feels pretty good to me. I was looking because on the ground, that cooler shook really bad. Well, I wanted to see if it was shaking. It's solid as a rock. It's not shaking a bit.
Well, you sure pulled this thing to the side when you
when I went out.
You stuck your head out.
I pulled the flap on you.
Yeah, the right flap.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, clear the runway on the north ramp in the grass, London Corbin.
I like these little aircraft, man. This is what I done my flight training. These little things, I like them.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 on the ground of North Hangars, London Corbin.